How to turn off any iPhone without touchscreen. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone's touchscreen is broken or unresponsive, you can still turn it off completely. For this, method 1 would be force shutdown with buttons. Quickly press volume up and volume down key, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the screen goes black. The iPhone is powered off. This is different from restart. If you release the button when the Apple logo appears, it restarts. However, to turn it off, hold until the screen stays black. Method 2 would be shut down with assistive touch. But you have to set it up before the screen is unresponsive. To enable it, head over to settings and then go to the assistive touch option. For this, head over to accessibility, then tap on touch, turn on the assistive touch option. Tap on single tap, or you can go for the back tap. For the back tap option, head over to previous page of touch and then tap on the back tap option. Turn it on and then tap on double tap. Now you can set it up for the power off from the device option, and once you have set up, if you double tap, your device will be powered off. However, if this does not work, the method 3 would be letting the battery drain. In this case, if you cannot use buttons, the only way left is let the battery fully run out, which will power off the iPhone. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.